Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of YouTube strategies for 2024. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content like this. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of YouTube success: consistency. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the importance of consistent posting. Maintaining a regular posting schedule is not just about keeping your content fresh. It's about retaining your audience and gaining favorability in the YouTube algorithm. Think of it as a rhythm that both your viewers and the algorithm can dance to. Next, let's discuss the significance of consistent branding. Your channel's branding should be consistent across all your videos, from the logo and intro to the color scheme and fonts. This helps create a cohesive and recognizable identity for your channel, making it easier for viewers to remember and engage with your content. Now, let's move on to the importance of consistent quality. Producing high-quality videos consistently is essential for building trust and credibility with your audience. It shows that you value their time and are committed to delivering valuable content. So invest in good equipment, improve your editing skills, and always strive for excellence in every video you create. Another aspect of consistency to consider is your content format. While it's important to experiment and try new things, having a consistent format can help establish a sense of familiarity and expectation among your viewers. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or reviews, find a format that works for your niche and stick to it. Lastly, let's not forget about consistency in engagement. Responding to comments, interacting with your audience on social media, and engaging in collaborations with other creators are all ways to show your commitment to building a community and fostering meaningful connections. So, make it a habit to engage with your audience consistently and make them feel valued. In conclusion, consistency is key to YouTube's success. From consistent posting and branding to consistent quality and engagement, every aspect plays a crucial role in building a loyal audience and growing your channel. So start implementing these strategies today and watch your YouTube journey soar to new heights. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Moving on, let's discuss the benefits of sticking to a format or style in your videos. A consistent format can enhance your brand recognition and set clear viewer expectations. It's like creating a signature style that your audience can identify and connect with. Next, we delve into the significance of establishing your niche. Finding and consistently producing content within a specific niche is key to creating a specialized audience base. It's like building a community of viewers who share the same interests and passions as you. Let's now focus on successful content strategy development. Setting realistic goals and creating a content calendar are crucial steps towards a consistent content strategy. It's like having a roadmap that guides you in your content creation journey. As we move forward, let's discuss the importance of fostering organic growth and viewer engagement. Consistent content quality and audience interaction are key to building a loyal and engaged viewer base. It's like nurturing a garden, where your content is the seed and your engagement acts as the water that helps it grow. Next, let's explore the concept of creating engaging video series. Developing a series of related videos can lead to consistent viewer engagement and increased watch time. It's like creating a captivating story that keeps your viewers hooked and wanting more. Now, let's talk about utilizing interactive tools. Using YouTube's interactive features like end screens and cards in a consistent manner can enhance viewer engagement. It's like adding interactive elements to your content that keep your viewers engaged and involved. Moving on, let's discuss simple content creation strategies. Maintaining consistency in the content creation process through simple, efficient strategies and tools can make your content creation journey smoother and more enjoyable. It's like having a toolbox that helps you create consistently great content with ease. Next, let's delve into content diversity. Balancing different types of content, evergreen, seasonal, timely, consistently can attract and retain a diverse viewer base. It's like offering a buffet of content that caters to different viewer tastes and preferences. Now let's talk about making a great first impression with metadata. Consistently crafting compelling metadata, including titles and thumbnails, is crucial for better SEO and viewer attraction. It's like creating an attractive storefront that lures in viewers and gets them to click on your videos. Finally, let's discuss building effective partnerships. Consistent collaboration and partnership strategies can help expand your reach and grow your channel. It's like joining forces with other creators to reach new audiences and achieve shared success. As we wrap up, let's quickly go over what we've discussed today. We explored the importance of consistent posting, sticking to a format, establishing your niche, developing a successful content strategy, fostering organic growth and viewer engagement, creating engaging video series, utilizing interactive tools, maintaining consistency in content creation, balancing content diversity, crafting compelling metadata, and building effective partnerships. Remember, in the world of YouTube, consistency is key to growing and engaging your audiences effectively in 2024. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content like this.